guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you all for joining me for another CVS deals video. This is a brand new ad and we have some good deals going on. If you need a copy of all the deals I shared in this video, there is a link to a Google Doc and you will find it in the description box. Make sure you scan the items to see what CRTs or coupons you have to help make the deals better. And if you're joining us for the first time, I would like to welcome you. Thanks for being here and I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and let's go find some deals. Colgate Max Fresh toothpaste is on sale for 2 for $8 and is part of buy 2 get 3 back. Pick up 2 and use the 4 off 2 digital coupon. You pay $4 and get 3 back, making them $1 or 50 cents each. The next deal I have is buy 2 get 7 back on Neutrogena makeup remover wipes. Pick up 2 price at $7.79 each. Both will total $15.58. Use the 4 off 2 digital coupon and you pay $11.58, get 7 back, making them $4.58 or $2.29. My next deal is spend 10 get 5 back on Neutrogena cosmetics. Pick up 1 Neutrogena Hydro Boost lip gloss priced at $11.99. Use the $3 digital coupon and you pay $8.99, get 5 back, making it $3.99. The next deal I have is buy 2 get 6 back on any Maybelline cosmetics. Pick up 2 Maybelline baby lips priced at $6.19 each. The 2 will total $12.38. Use a $3 Maybelline Extra Care coupon and also a $2 Maybelline digital coupon. The 2 coupons will take off $5 and you pay $7.38. Get 6 back, making them $1.38 or 69 cents each. The next deal I have is buy 2 get 4 back on Gillette or Venus disposable razors, and also the Gillette shave foam is part of this deal, and I'll give you the 2 options. They are on sale for buy 1 get 1 half off. Pick up 1 Gillette disposable razor priced at $8.99 and 1 Venus disposable razor priced at $8.99. Since both are the same price, one will be full price and the second one will be $4.50. These two will total $13.49. Use a $3 digital coupon for the Gillette and a $3 digital coupon for the Venus. The 2 coupons will take off $6 and you pay $7.49. Get 4 back, making them $3.49 or $1.75 each. The option for this deal is to pick up 2 Gillette shave foam priced at $3.79 and they are on sale for buy 1 get 1 half off. The first one will be full price and the second one will be $1.90. These two will total $5.69. Pay the $5.69 and you get 4 back, making them $1.69 or 85 cents each. The next deal I have is on Degree deodorants. They are on sale for buy 1 get 1 half off and they are part of buy 2 get 2 back. Pick up 2 price at $6.29. With the buy 1 get 1 half off, the first one will be full price and the second one will be $3.15. Both will total $9.44. Use the 3 off 2 digital coupon and you pay $6.44, get 2 back, making them $4.44 or $2.11 each. Irish Spring and Soft Soap Body Wash are on sale for 2 for $11 and when you buy 2, you get 3 back. Pick up 2 Irish Spring Body Wash. Use the $3.50 off 2 Irish Spring digital coupon and you pay $7.50, get 3 back, making them $4.50 or $2.25 each. The next deal I have is buy 2 get 6 back on any Nivea body wash and I have 2 options for this deal. The first option is to pick up 2 Nivea women body wash priced at $6.99 each. Both will total $13.98. Pay the $13.98 and you get 6 back, making them $7.98 or $3.99 each. The second option is to pick up 2 Nivea men body wash priced at $5.99 each. The 2 will total $11.98. Pay the $11.98 and you get 4 back, making them $5.98 or $2.99 each. Coppertone Sun Care is on the deal of buy 1 get 5 back. Pick up 1 sunscreen spray priced at $12.79. As you can see, there is a hang tag coupon on this item. If you can find one, use it. It will take off $2 and you pay $10.79. Get 5 back, making it $5.79. If you need Kellogg's cereal, they are on sale for $1.99 this week. The regular size Oreo cookies are on sale for 2 for $9 and they are part of buy 2 get 2 back. Pick up 2. Pay $9 and you get $2 back, making them $7 or $3.50 each. The first hair care deal I have in this video is buy 2 get 3 back on any L'Oreal Elvive shampoos or conditioner. Pick 1 shampoo and 1 conditioner. They are on sale for 2 for $11. Pay the $11 and you get 3 back, making them $8 or $4 each. Garnier Fructis shampoos and conditioners are on sale for 2 for $9, and when you buy 2, you get 3 back. Pick up 2, pay $9 and you get 3 back, making them $6 or $3 each. Next deal is buy 2 get 6 back on Mayor Rosemary Mint Hair Care. They're on sale for 2 for $20. Pick up 2, use the 4 off 2 digital coupon and you pay $16, get 6 back, making them $10 or $5 each. Suave products are on sale for buy 1 get 1 half off, and when you buy 2, you get 3 back, and I have 2 options for this deal. The first option is to pick up 1 shampoo and 1 conditioner. They are priced at $3.49. The first one will be full price and the second one will be $1.75. These two will total $5.24. Pay the $5.24 and you get 3 back, making them $2.24, $1.12 each. Another option is to pick up 2 Suave body wash. They are priced at $7.29, and with the buy 1 get 1 half off, the second one will be $3.65. The two will total $10.94. Pay the $10.94 and you get 3 back, making them $7.94 or $3.97 each. Next deal I have is on the 80 count Lysol disinfectant wipes. They are on sale for buy 1 get 1 free, and they are part of buy 2 get 3 back. Pick up 2 and it's priced at $10.79. With the buy 1 get 1 free, you're paying for just 1. Pay the $10.79 and you get 3 back, making them $7.79 or $3.90 each. The spend $30 get $10 back on household items are back this week, and I have 6 options for you. But remember, this deal is a limit of 1 per account per week, so pick whichever one that works for you. The first option I have is to pick up 2 Tide detergents. They are on sale for $14.99 each. Both will total $29.98, and that's within the 98% rule for spend 30. Use a $3 digital coupon for one. For the second one, use another $3 coupon from Coupon 24 app. The 2 coupons will take off $6 and you pay $23.98, get 10 back, making them $13.98 or $6.99 each. The second option I have is to pick up 1 Gain detergent on sale for $9.99, 1 Gain dryer sheets on sale for $9.99, and 1 Gain flings on sale for $9.99. These 3 will total $29.97, and that's within the 98% rule for spend 30. Use a $4 digital coupon for the Gain detergent, a $3 digital coupon for the Gain flings, and $2 Gain coupon from Coupon 24 app for the Gain dryer sheets. The 3 coupons will take off $9 and you pay $20.97, get 10 back, making them $10.97 or $3.66 each. If you don't want the Gain dryer sheets because the coupon is only $2, you can switch it out with another Gain flings. The total will be $29.97, which is within the 98% rule for spend 30. Use a $4 digital coupon for the Gain detergent, 2 $3 off Gain fling coupon, 1 from Coupon 24 app, and 1 digital. The 3 coupons will take off $10 and you pay $19.97, get 10 back, making them $9.97 or $3.32 each. The next option I have is to pick up 2 Cottonelle 9 Mega Roll Bath tissues on sale for 2 for $20, 1 Febreze Plug Scent Booster on sale for $9.99. The 3 items will total $29.99, and that's within the 98% rule for spend 30. Use a $5 digital coupon for the Febreze and you pay $24.99, get 10 back, making them $14.99 or $5 each. The next option is to pick up 1 Dawn Power Wash on sale for $5.99, 1 Tide Pod on sale for $13.49, and 1 Gain detergent on sale for $9.99. These 3 will total $29.47, and that's within the 98% rule for spend 30. Use a $3 digital coupon for the Tide Pod, a $4 digital coupon for the Gain detergent, and a $2 digital coupon for the Dawn Power Wash. The 3 coupons will take off $9 and you pay $20.47, get 10 back, making them $10.47 or $3.49 each. Next option I have is to pick up 2 2-count Febreze Car Air Freshener on sale for $6.49 each, 1 Downy Unstoppable on sale for $4.99, and 2 Dawn Power Wash on sale for $5.99 each. I only have 1 in this video because that's all my store have, but make sure you have 2. These 5 items will total $29.95, and that's within the 98% rule for spend 30. Use 2 $2 off Febreze coupon, one from CVS app and one from Coupon 24 app, a $4 off Downy digital coupon, and two $2 off Dawn Power Wash coupon, one from Coupon 24 app and one from CVS app. The 5 coupons will take off $12 and you pay $17.95, get 10 back, making them $7.95 or $1.59 each. And this concludes my video for today. Thank you all for watching. Thanks for all your support, and I'll talk to you all next time. Bye.